This beautiful reference was provided as part of the Let's Face It 2022 year-long art class, where a portrait a week is drawn and each week is taught by a different artist. I am teaching in 2 of the weeks, and this particular reference was chosen for us by Sabra Isa, and although I didn't follow along with her particular instruction, I chose to go with the calligraphy pen, which is the medium which I love. And I really enjoy the challenge of doing this kind of direct drawing without a preliminary drawing, just transferring directly to the paper. And I'm drawing on Hahnemühle Nostalgie paper, which could also be substituted with a Bristol paper or some smooth paper, with a Herlitz calligraphy pen, and it's a 1.4mm nib. I really love these broad edge drawing tools because of the line variation that you can get from them. And yeah, I hope you enjoy watching this. And if you're interested in learning portraiture, and specifically calligraphy pen portraiture, I have a whole class, and the link is in the description below. And I'll also add the link for the Let's Face It challenge. It's really a cool way to practice and is offered by the Bullock Art School. And a great way to practice drawing is to draw with me every week. Tuesday, 7:30 p.m. German time, I host live sketching sessions. And everyone is welcome. If you have access to Zoom, you're welcome to join us. And I've found that to be the most valuable practice for this kind of direct drawing. So this is originally a half-hour drawing, compressed into 4 minutes. And on Tuesdays, we sketch between 30-second and 6-minute poses. If you have any suggestions of who you would like me to draw, let me know in the comments. I really enjoy the stylization and the kind of texture and patterning of these big, broad brushstrokes to fill in shadow areas. And I find it a kind of efficient, economic way to block in shadow and give it a real sense of texture, whilst also simplifying shadow areas. Yeah, and almost coming to a close now. If you've enjoyed this, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, because I'll be posting more of these. And if you'd like to come draw with me, then also leave a comment or follow the link. The Tuesday drawing session link is below, and also the links to my classes. I also upload monthly tutorials for my Patreon supporters, so you can check that out too. Lots of links to look at. Thanks a lot for watching, and happy creating. Have fun drawing.